Let's talk oil pumps. So here is a brand new oil pump. Let's cut the tape, and as you can see, this is completely sealed inside its bag. What I want to show you is some of the problems we're having now with oil pumps on modern engines. So this, I think, is turbo type oil pump. Straight away when I take this out of the box, there is too much end float in this spindle. Let's go over and measure it. We're over at the Bridgeport and I have the pump just clamped in the vise with a DTI gauge. And as you can see, we're heading for 0.25. That's way too high. We're back over at the bench now, and I've just taken out the ring of bolts that hold on this plate. And this is the stuff that kind of worries me about these pumps. This stuff on the backs might look pretty harmless, but if I give it a wipe with a paper towel, look at that. That's in your oil pump. If I wipe around here, let's get another clean part. The paper towel, wipe around here. That is what is inside your oil pump.